Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Babaji's farm. It's a bit early today because I've been hearing one of the cow calling me from 3 in the morning, and I think I know what happened. Because yes, they went into I'll show you in a minute. Here we go. They went into the cattle yard and they got stuck. So they've been calling me since 3 in the morning, and I said, well, I'm not getting up now until later, but I should have, because they didn't let me sleep. That's all they were doing. What happened? You guys are stuck. And look, they're just sitting there. How did you get stuck in there? Yeah, exactly. That's what I've been hearing whole morning. All right, I'll let you out. I didn't realize that. I closed the gate on the other side. What happened? You guys were stuck in there. Hmm? Hmm? Here we go. Come on. That's alright. I'm just gonna go and open that gate from the other side. Here we go. They are now. Happy chappy. Oh, not there. Oh, they're going in my house paddock. I quickly gotta do this. Anyway, now I'll open the gate from the both sides, so even if you do, this gate gets closed, they can go through that. Come on. Right. Hey, hey, hey. Shh. Shh, 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 shh. Hey. Okay, I'll let you eat a little bit. Come on. Okay, eat that. Not you, you stay that way. No. Go back. Okay, eat that bit. See, I feel sorry for them, but then I'll pay, because as I say, see there? See, this is exactly what he does. See that fence? So he puts his head through it, and then he eats it from the top. But here's the extra fence. So he done that all the way along. But I'm gonna maybe transfer them over that side today. Alright, chill. That's enough. Come on. Shh. That's it. Come on. There's heaps of grass outside. Look. Funny how they were when she was calling, she was looking towards the house. Oh, she knew that I was in there, trying to wake me up. So I'll show you the reunion of the baby. There we go. Oh, he doesn't like it. What is she looking at? Cleo, I hope it's not snake. No, it must be a mouse. Yep, there you go. He's having his feed. Yep, the house looks busy today. All the cars. Oh, Moti boy. It was annoying Moti too, the cows came in because he couldn't sleep. He just sleeps outside our window. How did these guys get out? I don't think I closed the gate last night. But yeah, gotta feed them up. Wasn't feeling well last night with that from that booster. So yeah, see how I go today. But I do need to do quite a few things. So that's the thing about farming. There is no day off. And this guy's on lunch today. Yeah. I don't know, one is enough, maybe? Should be. Yeah. Maybe a curry salad. Okay, Zachariah has been eating honey and he wants more. So
I want more.
Do you want more too? Okay.
They want more.
We're filling up more, but
I don't want
He wants to lick this plate. Okay, go Zachariah.
First the game.
Is it nice?
Yep. What's this? How's my phone thing?
Pablo.
Don't press any button, no?
Let me get this guy.
Honey is so nice. Once you have one taste, then you want more.
Wait, I kind of.
What's Yasmin gonna say? She wants more. You want more?
I want more. Let me just do it first.
Let me do this.
It's breakfast time. Is it breakfast time?
You have to have eggs first. You can have
Normal,
honey like
normal. Sunday breakfast. Pratas, honey, I don't know, eggs, chickpeas.
You want egg
And chai is coming.
Wait.
It's nearly finished. Hello. Bye. Hello, I'm Hannah. Welcome to Papaji's farm.
Zachariah.
Bye. Hello, I'm Zachariah. I miss you. Bye. Say welcome. Hello, I'm Yasmin. So, I'm not Papaji. So, bye-bye. Huh?
Bring that piece back.
Yusuf, what are you doing?
I'm playing. Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm going to help Babaji collect some eggs in Babaji's farm.
Okay. Thanks for your help. And we need to get this red rooster. But how about we just give them some feed? So they can all come in and then we catch the red rooster. Eh?
Then they'll get distracted with them. With it, then they'll get to feed it. Then they'll get to have a chance to have the eggs.
Right,
I like the sound of that, Babaji. And some just went in my shoe. So they might eat my shoe instead of that. Look, the duck's even going to eat it. Oh, those chicks are going super fast just like the others. Even the rooster. Ow.
We got him. And this guy here, you gotta watch him because he hit you.
We're going to call the big rooster Honey Penny.
Okay, sounds good to me.
And the name Honey Penny came from a book called Chicken Licken.
Oh. And what's happening with this mister here?
He's going to get cooked, and he's a baby rooster.
Yeah.
Want to say hi? Hi, can you see me? Hi, can you be behind here?
What?
Hi, I can
Knife!
Good, I found Babaji. Now Yusuf and Yasmin are going, so now I'm going to help Babaji. You're welcome.
Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Bye, Yusuf. Still not 100%, so I'm just been sitting here in the veranda. As you can see, Mariam have just left. The kids are still here. They'll have lunch and then go. But they went to the shop, to the post office, and got us a parcel. So I was waiting for this part for my beehive. So that's the part which was missing. I think I showed you a couple of weeks ago. So they were pretty good. They sent that to us. So now basically this one is ready to be put on. I'll paint it, but I'm not going to do it today. I'll do it next weekend. And then I'll swap the older box with this new box. Can't believe the booster makes you so sick. I've hardly been sick. And with this booster, we had it yesterday, but I just want to go to sleep. My eyes are sore, body's so. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna go and put some more. You know how we did that beehives last weekend, and we didn't put up enough frames, so I'm gonna go and do that. And have a look to see how they're going. Then I'm just going to take it easy. So while Atik and Mushi went to the post office just here, sorry, they got the parcel which had the indigenous shirt Mom ordered. So these are really nice ones. I think we got quite a few. Mom ordered me as well. Here's my one. These are pretty good quality for how much were they?
$25.
$25. What's the company called?
Bandara.
Bandara. Really good shirts. Highly recommend it. I'm here at the beehives. Basically all I'm doing, as I said, putting some of the top box. Last time we did not have enough frames in that. So, and we left one honey, full of honey frame on top. I'm going to move that to the middle. And I've got some more frames, as you can see there. I'm going to put those frames in the top box, and that's it. I'm going to leave them alone. But they look very busy, which is a good sign. Alright, get into it. Let's smoke them first. Yeah, this was the frame which was full of honey, so I'm going to move that at the bottom, but first I'll have to move the box down, away from it. Yeah, they started to build the wax already, as you can see. So I might just move this frame at the top and then put the honey one at the bottom. And then I'll leave them alone. Some of their own frames back basically. So it's easier for them. They don't need to go and collect too much wax. Yep, leave that, put the lid back on. I do need to get the rope for this, but at the moment I'm just going to put a couple of bricks on top. That's it. It's easy peasy now. I'm just going to take all of this stuff back in the wheelbarrow and then leave them alone. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm just going to, as I said over there, I'm going to leave them for about 4 weeks, go back and have a look. I'm hoping if the summer lasts a little bit longer, I might actually get more honey, but I won't be taking too much off because I want to leave quite a bit for them for winter. It's amazing how changing the yellow hive has just affected the whole colony. They were so wild when they were the yellow hive, but as soon as we changed it to the other one, they're not as wild as as they were before. And I think it's I don't know what it is with the yellow color. I've seen it on the YouTube videos. Whoever had a yellow box, the colony was very aggressive. Whereas now the other one white or grey or whatever, they're fine. So today there was few around me, but they didn't really attack me. So all right, well that's one job done. They should be happy now, so we'll leave them alone. No problem. All right, this is what the chickens look like now. Got roti. Normally we do eat late, but because the kids have to drive to Sydney, so I'm gonna eat early with them. All right, let's get into it. Smells beautiful.
That's me.
Yeah, go.
I'm going home, which is at Sydney, which is 3 hours drive, and I'm going to Miss Canberra, and Babaji and Dad and maybe Papa, his family might come too. On 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Okay.
I got enough.
Yeah, goodbye, goodbye.
Goodbye, Cleo. I miss you. I want to hug Cleo.
Go, you can hug Cleo.
Bye, Cleo. I need your teddies.
Help me, I'm gonna fall.
Why
guys.
exactly,
Pull me. Both of you guys. No, push. Pull me. Wait, no, I didn't say pull.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, pull.
Let go.
No, don't let go.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Titi, Baba. Bye bye.
I'll go jump in the seat now.
Bye bye.
See you later, alligator.
Love you, everybody, whoever's watching.
See you later, alligator. Assalamualaikum. Bye. See you later, alligator. Okay, assalamualaikum. Alright, everyone. Well, I had a bit of a nap and it's made me a little bit better, enough to do the chores in the afternoon. And talk about the chores, I need to go and I did clean I was supposed to clean, remember, chicken house yesterday and the peacock's house. Well, I didn't get to do it yesterday. I did do it this morning, the chicken house, but the peacock's house I gotta go and do it now. And then I gotta do some watering. And Mushy wants me to play cricket with him as well, so he's doing his bowling there, you can see. So yeah, and that area watering and front watering, and not much time, and still not 100%, but it's alright. As I said, that sleep was a lot better. I think Mom took a shot off when I was lying on the couch, but I ended up getting up from the couch and went to the bedroom, and that was probably a better idea because I really had a good, really deep sleep. But yeah, I can't believe how much I did hear people, get sick with this booster, but I didn't think that it'll make me this sick. I'm pretty tough normally, as I said before. Nothing makes me sick, especially normal flus. I never had a COVID, not that I know of anyway. But yeah, I mean, this booster made me more sick than probably COVID would have. Alright, well, I'll get into it before the time goes. Okay, so I finished cleaning the peacock's house. Now I'm just going to go to the duck pond. As you can see, there's quite a bit of dirt. I haven't filled up the water yet because I want to clean it up, just scrape that dirt off a bit, and then I'll fill this up with the water for them. Okay, so this job is done. I just need to fill it up with the water. I mean, that's clean enough now. And once it's filled up with the water, it should be good. But now I've got to go and fill up the chickens and peacock's water. I'm going to do that again once a week. So I'll wash their dishes and yeah, clean it up. It's not even full yet and they're happy already. Happy ducks, happy mom. Because these are mom ducks. Mom loves them. Alright everyone, well I think it's time to say goodbye. It's been a busy weekend, even though today I was sick, but did end up doing quite a few things at the end and I feel a lot better than what I was this morning. And that's what they say, you just get up and go and yeah, sickness will just go eventually. Anyway, have a great week and we will do all this again next weekend inshallah. Okay, have a great week and we will catch up next weekend inshallah. Okay, assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz, bye.